Green Dot, probably a company that not a lot of folks out there have on their radar, but it is a publicly traded company, and it's actually been on the public markets for a little while. I do remember looking at this company when it first went public, Matt, and there were just some questions I had in regard to really the total market opportunity and the trends of what they were pursuing. And, you know, you made a point here in that they're targeting the group of consumers that are most likely to still use cash. But what were the takeaways from your time learning about Green Dot at the conference?
Sure. So Green Dot's oldest and most visible business, they've been around for 20 years now, are prepaid debit cards. Particularly if you ever shop at Walmart, those prepaid, the money cards that are at the checkout, those are all Green Dot products.
Yep.
So that's what they're known for. But they also provide, say, a checking account product for people who don't have a traditional checking account. And they're also really emphasizing what they call their banking as a service platform, which is if you're a company that needs, say, a peer-to-peer payment app or something like that, it's really expensive and in most cases undesirable to actually become a bank. We've heard some talk about maybe Amazon offering a banking product. Amazon will never become a bank. They may partner with a bank to offer the Amazon branded checking account, but they're not going to become a bank. It's prohibitively, you know, they want that regulatory oversight, the costs is associated with it, things like that. So what Green Dot does is they let companies kind of piggyback off their infrastructure and their technology to offer the piece of banking that they want to and not become a bank. Just to give you a couple of examples, Uber allows their drivers to have payment accounts where they can get paid whenever they want to from their rides. That is powered by Green Dot's infrastructure. The peer-to-peer end of Apple Cash, or I'm sorry, Apple Pay Cash, the peer-to-peer platform on Apple, is powered by Green Dot. Just TurboTax is the preloaded debit cards with tax refunds are powered by Green Dot. So these companies that kind of need banking products and services but don't want to become a bank themselves, they use Green Dot. And like I mentioned, these are the customers who are most likely to be like kind of the last holdouts of the cash economy. People with, you know, an American Express card and a Wells Fargo checking account, like me, I use card payments or mobile payments for most purchases now. People without those things are the most likely to use cash for everyday purchases. So when we're talking about war on cash investments, Green Dot's a really interesting play because they're targeting the people that use cash the most. So they have a huge addressable market there.